instructor and full-stack developer at the SVHEC. I'm excited to teach the Intro to Computer Programming class because these are skills that I use in my daily work. As a full-stack developer, I maintain a custom student information system for the SVHEC. Within this programming class, we first start by covering problem-solving, design, flowcharting, and visual coding skills. Then we move to covering basic programming skills in the C language. After that, we cover Python fundamentals. The Python fundamentals that we cover in this class are aligned with the PCEP certification exam. That is the Python Certified Entry-Level Programmer certification offered by the Python Institute. This class is great for trying to get a start in the software development industry, as well as enhancing your existing IT skills for scripting and automation. I hope to see you in the class.